Today we're opening up a mask from Demon Bugs from Etsy. And first we're going to be reading the card. Thank you so much for ordering a mask. I hope you will enjoy it and make lots of memories. Sophie. And there's some little cute drawings. And now onto the freebies. And this looks like there's some candy from Denmark. And some cute little stickers. Sneaky, that turtle. And then this little paw pin. Then we have a little candy star. Really cute. And now we have the mask. So I'm gonna let you guys see it first. Here's the little gremlin. Here he is. I don't know, it's a he or she. Because I just see the back. Okay, let me look. Wait. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Looks so good on me. Wait, let's put the little pin. Let's see. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, guys, and by the way, I'm packing up this mask for a friend. So please consider liking and subscribing. Bye, guys.